Hello students, let's continue our chapter. 3 questions written by the Leo Tolstoy. Okay, as I told you in my first lecture that this is a story of a king who want to know the answers for his 3 questions, and everyone is in his court is giving him the non-satisfying answer. So he decided to go to a hermit who is known as for his wisdom to get his answers. So for this he moved ahead towards his hut, hermit's hut, and he dressed as a common man. He left his horses and the bodyguard behind, and he start moving towards the hermit's place. When the king sees that the hermit is digging holes, the king asked his question. The king reached there and asked his question. When he reached there, he found that he did not notice the king, and then he start talking with the hermit and asked his question. The king asks his question many times and helps the hermit for a day. उससे उसने उसे अपने क्वेश्चंस का अपने सवाल पूछे, और उसकी हाथ से वो जिस पेड़ लेके जिससे वो उसको ज़मीन को खोद रहा था, होल बना रहा था, वो काम करना शुरू कर दिया। और उसने अपनी ये ख्वाहिश ज़ाहिर करी कि मैं आपके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना चाहता हूँ, टाइम गुजारना चाहता हूँ। The king asked his question many times. Okay, the next next day what happened? A man with a wound was coming coming very fast towards him, and suddenly he falls down. And the man had a deep wounds. उसे गहरे ज़ख्म लगे हुए थे उस आदमी के, और वो हर्मिट और किंग के सामने आके गिर गया. They help him. In turns out that the man was a warrior from the another kingdom. Then what happened? After taking care of this man, and they make them sleep, the king and the hermit make them sleep in and that wounded person had slept with the king next to his bed. When next day when the person got up, he found the king was busy with hermit. So the man came to the king and asked that I want to share something for you, that here I'm very thankful that you have saved my life, but I want to tell you that I came here to kill you, to murder you, but your bodyguard had seen me and they attacked over me. That is why I got wounded, and मैं आपको ही मारने आया था और आपने ही मेरी जान बचाई. So I am very much thankful to you, and I want to serve you for the whole life. So king told you to accept his thanks, and king ने कहा कि ठीक है, आप मेरे उसमें राज्य में जाकर या मेरे महल में जाकर मेरा वेट करिए, मैं आपसे आके वहाँ पे बात करूँगा. Then hermit tells the man that his question was answered. कि उसने कहा कि तब उसको hermit ने कहा कि तुम्हारे तीनों सवालों के जवाब तुमको मिल गए हैं. That's it for today class. I'll continue my explanation in my next